Hello friends and welcome to my channel. I'm Hamid and in this video I will show you how to set the basic Cisco switch configurations and set the host name, set IPv4 address, set the default gateway, write interface descriptions and do some show commands. Let's enter to the command line interface of the first switch. With the keyword enable, we can access the enable mode. As you noticed here, by default switch name is switch. We want to change this name, and in this case we must enter the global configuration mode using the configure terminal command. Configure terminal. We are in the configure terminal. We must use the host name keyboard space and write the name that we are going to name the switch. In this case I will write SW1. As you noticed, name of the switch has been changed to SW1. Now we will set the VLAN 1 IP address. Interface VLAN 1 IP address. For this switch I want to use 10 10 1 10 and the subnet mask is 255 255 255 0. To active the VLAN number 1 we must write no shutdown. As you can see here, state of the VLAN number 1 is set to up. Now we are going to set the default gateway address. Exit IP default gateway 10 10 1 1 and press enter. Now we are going to write some descriptions for port number 1 and 3. Interface fast Ethernet 01. Description fast Ethernet 01 to switch 2 for interface fast Ethernet 03. Description fast Ethernet to PC 1. Now we can do some show commands. Show IP interface brief. You can see here port number 1 and port number 3 are connected. Show interfaces status. You can see fast Ethernet 1 is connected, fast Ethernet 3 is connected too. To see the descriptions we can use show running config command. As you can see here, interface fast Ethernet 01 description port 01 connected to switch number 2 and the fast Ethernet 03 connected to PC 1. So let's do the same settings for the second switch. Enable to enter the user mode. To change the switch name we must use the configure terminal and use the keyword host name. I want to use SW2. Interface, VLAN 1, IP address, I will use 10, 10, 1, 11 with subnet mask 255, 255, 255, 0, and no shutdown. Now we will set the default gateway of the switch. IP, default gateway 10, 10, 1, 1, and press enter. Switch number 2 is connected to switch number 1 to PC number 2 and to the router. So we will write 3 port descriptions. Fast Ethernet 0, 1, description, Fast Ethernet 0, 1, 2, switch 1, interface, Fast Ethernet 02, description, Fast Ethernet 02, 2, R1, interface, Fast Ethernet 03, description, Fast Ethernet 03, 2, PC2. Now we will check the settings of the switch number 2. Show IP, interface, brief. As you can see, the VLAN number 1 has 10, 10, 1, 11 IP address. Status of these 3 ports are up. And show interfaces status. You can see these 3 ports are connected. Show running config. First port number 1 is connected to switch number 1, port 2 is connected to the router, and the third port is connected to the PC number 2. That was the basic switch configuration. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!